Ornamental plants are those plants which are grown for their aesthetic features in home gardens or in public places like parks. These plants have plant parts like leaves, flowers, stem, fruit, and foliage texture which are attractive to the people visiting the garden. There are different varieties of ornamental plants with different sizes, shapes, and color, and which are suitable for different climatic ranges, soil types, and gardening and landscaping needs. Ornamental plants can be grown in garden beds or as window plants in pots according to the variety. Rose, orchids, lilies, solios, ferns, etc. are examples of ornamental plants.